All right, this is the Gillette Venus Comfort Glide. It actually has something pretty cool. It has white tea in there. I'm not sure why they put white tea in there, but okay. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and look at the back. It has two cartridges in the back, and I can open it up to look at it. So let's go ahead and open this up. Use my cutting utensil to open that up gently. And inside are the razors. There's two cartridges that come with it. There are let me get in closer so you can see this. There is the Gillette Venus Comfort Glide cartridge. Comes in a nice package right here. Nice handle right here. I'm going to go ahead and open that up and pull this back. Freshness seal. And on here is the actual razor. And this right here looks like some sort of lubrication. Smells nice. I can smell it. Go into the screen, smell that. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put it on. So it's easy to put this on after when you have it inside here. The way it stays into place, and you just simply go like that. Snaps in, and you're able to go ahead and use the razor in the shower, or if your legs are wet or body parts are wet. Not exactly sure what you're going to be using it on, but be careful, read the instructions before using this. And it's nice, has a nice grip, a rubber style based grip, as well as to release. You just simply press that, pops off, and put it back on. You just simply slide it back in like that, and you're ready to get to shaving. So that's the unboxing of the Gillette Venus razor. Smells pretty good. Hope this was helpful.